I'm going to cook with the HOTLOGIC Mini again today. Today I'm going to make sausage lasagna because I love it a lot. I made lasagna 5, 6, 7 times maybe in the HOTLOGIC Mini and in the family size. You know, we have a lot of HOTLOGICs that you could do with the bigger noodles or the smaller ones. This is no boil oven ready lasagna, and I like this a lot. This is Barilla brand, but there was another brand that was a big sheet, no boil, and it's perfect for the HOTLOGIC. That's why I make it so often, and I wanted to share it with you again today because I like it a lot. And I had some Bob Evans sausage. You could buy the sausage already browned, like crumbles, you know, for pizza toppings or whatever. Just they come in a container like that. But I browned this fresh. It's Bob Evans. I liked it. It was good. I ate some of it because I had to test it and make sure it's all right. Anyway, this is so easy. A few steps. And today we're using a orange HOTLOGIC Mini. You know about the HOTLOGIC probably. If not, check them out and check out my playlist because I have 83 other videos. We also have the 12-volt model for the car or truck or boat or RV or campsite. We have the HOTLOGIC XP expandable. It has the same heating element in the bottom, but it's expandable, see? This opens up and you can put stuff in there. Utensils, paper plates, whatever. I like putting bread in there, keeping it warm while that's cooking, you know. And you can carry it away like that, but same thing, you just plug it in, set it and forget it. Anyway, you know, we have a lot of HOTLOGICs. Come over and let me show you how easy this is going to be. This is a 9x7. I don't know what I said earlier, 9x13 or something, but there's the bigger one for the family size. Sauce. Can you open this for me? The secret to this no-bake lasagna is you want to get each layer wet with sauce. I was looking for no-bake macaroni or shells or something like that, but I didn't see any. Look. See that? Barilla. Mozzarella. Last time I just poured it in, but I think I'm going to paint it in there now. What do you think? Oh, the bottom layer, I could just do that. See? It's so easy. This is going to overlap a little on the bottom, but as it comes to the top, this container gets wider. Look at that. See, we just want some moisture on each noodle. Oh,
the paintbrush is a great idea.
Thank you. I thought of it.
I think you can paint in between them.
Like this.
That's a nice. That's a nice way to do it.
That's why I need you. What would I do now? Meat or cheese?
I would put the meat.
Yeah.
Making those crumbles fresh was a great idea.
Yes, and it smells so good. And you could leave this out. You could just put whatever you like in here.
Right. You could make it a veggie lasagna.
Mm-hmm.
Or whatever you really like to eat.
I think I did that already. And you might have on your channel too. I'm not sure. Now, we don't want to overload it with cheese, but we want enough in there. Another layer. You ever think you'd be watching me paint lasagna this time of the day? When you woke up this morning? See, now it's wider at the top.
You could add all the kind of fresh ingredients you like too. Mm-hmm. See, we have tomatoes sitting here.
Yeah, from the garden.
Slices of fresh tomatoes in there.
That's from our garden. I don't care how weird they look because I grew them. More sausage. When I did pizza lasagna, I made each layer something different. Like I made sausage on the bottom. The next layer had pepperoni. Next layer had mushrooms. There. But this is just sausage lasagna. And I usually get like 3 layers when I do a mini like this. So let's see. Think I need more sauce in the middle? Wouldn't hurt a little bit.
Okay.
Great invention. The HOTLOGIC and the no boil noodles.
Did you know that Rick was featured on the HOTLOGIC website?
Oh, on Instagram, right?
Instagram.
Yeah.
And they showed him making some of his recipes like this.
Just shorts, just little quick video clips, but I'm proud of that.
Yeah, I thought that was really cool.
They like me. I like them. I love the HOTLOGIC. We've been doing this probably, what, 8 or 11 years? I don't know how long. A long, long time.
We use them all the time to cook our dinners or lunches.
They're so convenient. And we give them for gifts a lot, too. Oh, and you can get a discount if you use my code in the video description. A really good discount. And they don't cost that much to begin with anyway. But for what it is, an appliance like this, no knobs, no buttons, just plug it in. We put fast food containers in here, the frozen meals that you get, like whatever brand, there's brands out there. I eat 7 meals in 7 days once in a HOTLOGIC. I have a video of that. Check my playlist.
Yeah, you have some really cool stuff.
Okay, now, see, I don't want the lid to get squished. That's what I worry about, but then it shrinks a little bit. Oh, the last layer. Oh, see?
He always adds one extra.
It's going to be so good. And this might be done in maybe more than 2 hours, I know, but last time I went 4 or 5 hours. Did I get that guy? No, I didn't. Should I put cheese on top too? Wait, what if it was in the oven? I just don't want to squash it down with the lid. You could put anything you like there, salt and pepper, sprinkled cheese, onions, make it your own. Man, I don't want to stop looking at it. All I got to do now is put this lid on. This Pyrex here. Look at that. Imagine taking this to work. Take it to work at 7, have it made at home, plug it in, and people start smelling lasagna. You don't have to deal with those dirty microwaves at work. I even locked mine up once, see? Put a padlock between there, just for fun. Now pull the cord out, plug it in, and forget all about it. You can read the quick start guide if you want, but just watch our videos so you know everything about it. Look at the recipes. I believe you have a recipe in here too, years ago.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
It was a mushroom recipe.
Okay, so let me look at how much I have left. Wow. What else are we going to do with that? Put them in the HOTLOGIC. That's all we're going to do with it. Okay, so now what time is it? It's 10 a.m. Okay, so we're going to go about our day now, and pretty soon we're going to have a delicious lunch, aren't we?
Yes. And you know, it doesn't hurt to let it sit for more than 4 hours.
You can't burn it.
If you go to work and you don't come home for 8 hours, it'll be ready for you when you come home.
It'll be perfect. It won't overcook. But there's so many good things about it. You know about it. Thanks for all your kind comments and being so nice to us. And if you're following along at home, we'll eat with you later. See ya.
Bye.
How long are we going to wait? I don't even want to open it and check on it. I just want to... We'll start with 4 hours,
Okay.
I think.
Okay. Sounds good
So
to me.
like 2 o'clock maybe.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Be right back. Insert commercial here. Okay, the time has come. It's 1:20. Remember, I put this in at 10 a.m. Well, put it in, went outside, trimmed my bushes out front that need to be trimmed, did a little yard work, come inside, and we're gonna look at it. That's 3.5 hours, right? Ooh, doesn't that look good? Oh, now I smell it real good. Can we get 4 pieces out of this or 2? 4, right?
4. Let's go for 4. That's a lot of lasagna there.
All right, let's see. Look at the texture. Remember, it's only 3 layers. And see how it shrunk a little bit? I could have put a 4th layer, but I was worried about the lid scraping the goodies off the top. And I could melt some more cheese on it right now if I wanted to, but imagine having this at work or in your car on a trip. All right, it's always tricky getting the first one out. Sausage lasagna, remember? See how it came out. What do you think? How's that look? You want one?
Okay.
Second one should be easier. It looks beautiful down there.
It
Look at
smells
that.
good, Rick.
Imagine whatever you layered that with. We just have mozzarella and sausage and sauce. Beautiful. You want some of that? And see, if we were waiting for somebody else to come home, we could just cover this up, leave it plugged in, and it's gonna stay good all day. Believe it. There's a heating element down there. Let me show you. I probably showed you before. Remember, there's a heating element down here that you can remove and put on the table for a keep warming plate or something like that. I'm gonna zip this back up. HOTLOGIC Mini did it again. Let's take a bite. Come on, have some. I made some bread too. Look at that. Well, I didn't make it, but isn't that a great Saturday night or Sunday dinner?
Ooh, yeah.
Right now it's Saturday night. Fun. Cheers. Cheers, Mama.
Oh, this looks delicious.
Yeah, look. The sausage is so good, isn't it?
That's really good. Oh my gosh, that's really good.
Look at the texture. Isn't it great? Thanks for watching. Check my HOTLOGIC playlist. And Kathy has some on her channel too. I always put a link to Kathy's channel in the video description. We should probably sit down, huh? like humans.
Yeah, well, we wanted to show them how good it tastes. It's
Yeah.
delicious.
And I want to remind you how easy it is. Yeah, if you don't know how to make lasagna, there you go. Now you know how.
Yeah, a couple of easy steps, right?
So good and cheesy and sausagey. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. See you tomorrow. Come on, sit down. I'll get you a drink.
Okay.